ko na lang dito. Ayan kasi, kasalanan ko pa, hindi. Malamang. Hi, Magic. Charot. Hello, be. Okay ka lang, be. Charot. Ay, naku. Kaya lang. Ang isang iting happy na po ako. Magpa-cute na yun ang yakap eh. Naging 16 na, suot mo ngayon di. Hindi yan di, top lang yan. Sadyang bagay lang sa akin yung top na to. Kasi nawala, bumili ako ng bagong top. Kasi pag-pageant, hinubad ko yung top ko na mas maganda. Yun yung pinaka-gusto ko, guys. Tapos nawala sa school day. Tang-igit, nawala. Tapos ayun, pina-corset kasi siya. So gusto ko yun kasi madali lang naman mahubad. So, be, after pageant, be, naghahanap ako sa bag na wala talaga. Saan napunta? Dami, tang-igit talaga. Ano ba? Kasi mas mabuti pa yung tang-igit kesa tang-ina, diba? Mas maganda pa yung tang-igit. At least wala kang inaano. Yung minumura mo lang yung igit mo. Nagala-ala. Ikaw kasi, I feel enjoyed with charming features with you. If I smile, what part of the Philippines are you from, sweetheart? From your heart, Charis. I'm now in Cebu. Paano ba maging mean girls, guys? Like ginawa ko naman yung dapat gawin. Kasi sobrang bait ko eh. Hindi ako maka-mean girl. Like, yung like sobrang magita. Makakatawa kasi itang-igit talaga. Uy, class igit, wala. Thank you, Magic. Next month, classy na. Kasi na next week guys, stress na sa Tony. Ang problema na ko, I don't know how to manage my time next month. Yeah. Combating. Hala, Bisaya, di ka magic. Yaha, bale, magican na lang ba yung nangahumanan ako skwela. She's belong in our heart within a kindness. Damn, bro! What happened to you? Bakit ang sweet mo magsalita? Like, what is you? Tang-igit. 95-27. Trabaho sa ako igit. Ayaw na nagtrabaho tayo. Sige, ingat ka. Take care. Thank you, 95. Ay, alone. Porque contigo yo escogí. Ay, hi, is it A-L or O? Paano ba yan? Basta yun na yun. Hi, Dragon Tracker. May dragon ba sa charot? When Hudson song, pure kind of house, so loud, every little one stayed so proud. Why? Bakit ka ganyan magsalita, babe? Tang-igit talaga, nakakilig ko. Pati, puwet ko nanginginig. Charot, naging masaya din eh. Hi, Tagorong. Hi, Jessie. Huwag kang tumawa, hindi ako natatawa. Anong outfit? Show outfit, babe. Sige nga. Ito na, ang outfit na to. Damn, bro. Tanong mo mama mo paano mag-outfit check kasi hindi ko alam eh. Totoo naman, ang cute. Di ko kabalo, imo naghabal, day. Day, are you using translator? Damn! Charot. Para ma-divert ang kilig mo joke. Gani mo. Alias pogi. Pero mas pogi ako. Charot. Sana all nakilig si baby. Ha, hi buhay. Ikaw kasi. O, ba't ako na naman? Wala akong ginawa, Bin. Tumatawa-tawa lang para kiligin ka. Charot. Masaya na ba ang mga person? Hindi. Hindi ako masaya. Hi, Anton. John, bye. John, ayaw, ana. John, bad man na, John. Keep me enjoy lang po. Stay calm. Huwag mo kong iwan. Iyak talaga ako. Like, charot. Paano iiyak si Connie? Iyak talaga ako. Like, walang katapusang iyak. Charis. Tumataba na ako, be. I guess, tumataba ba ako? Tumataba ako. Wala akong pake. Alam mo. Kasi yung exercise ko may nag-exercise pa din ako every day. But not that every day today. Yeah. Kasi it's like, yung focus ko lang, hindi yung sa like, yung sa waistline, yung waist ko lang, and then yung butt. Yan yung focus ko lang sa pag-exercise. Yeah. Hi, Copy. Because that's like, yeah. Tapos sobrang aga ko nagigising, be. Alam niyo ba, like, nalilito na ako paano ako mag-time management. I don't know what to do. Because like, ang hirap kasi. Kasi may pasok na ako next month. So, still, magla-live pa din ako. Pero feel ko sa gabi na talaga. Gabi or, pero sa Saturday, I can live morning. Like this time. Yeah. Uy, good luck soon. Good luck to me. Hi, Bill. Welcome back. Jack and hello. Dubs. Dubs. Good luck talaga kasi we're going to the second year round. It's bringing me up. What's going on here? There's nothing going on. Laban Japan. Say Japan. Ay, Japan ka karon. Yeah, we're good. There's nothing wrong. They are so good to me. Especially Smile is so very like, damn, comment, bro. Like, it makes me so kilig. Shaking. Damn, Smile. Why are you like commenting right now? Are you like lost your damn, like sweet notes, sweet comment. Makaihi ka diba? Masaya ka na. Say makaihi ka na. Later, I will. But now, my pleasure, Mom. Remember, I'm your Smile, always good. Yeah, damn, bro. Damn it. Damn, sobrang bait mo, be. Talaga, bakit wala na tayong music? Bakit sa June? Chimpanchini, bananini, charat. Bakit lahat June? Velma.
Want brighter skin? You have to go deep.
Hi. Ano ba yan? Dials? Is it dials? Shall we? Wait, I can't. Oh, Smile is still here. Hi, Bravo. Like always, kung na, there is akong like Bravo. Mauna ni Ron. happening to my eyes? Ayaw mo masaya kami? Gusto naman. Sige, tumawa na kayo. Just laugh all you can. It's kinda it all you can. Kinda. Hi, Shrimp. My bad. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to mean girl, guys. Like, I don't know how to be bad. Like, maybe if I'm gonna be bad, like, I'm gonna do like charos. Cherries. My honor, gratitude, na naman. Gratitude to be part on your life, even ungiven gifts, my heart brings proud of. Yeah. Di bagay sa beauty mo, Ki. Ang maging, maging maldita. Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you for being proud of me, bro. Hi, Fears. Ang maging maldita, tingnan natin. Wait lang. Let me try. Wag na ipin. Hindi kasi mapigilang kumawa, babe. Pangigit talaga. Di bagay talaga. Kaya nga eh. Kasi smiley face tayo eh. We're always like joyful. Yeah. Marky, shall we? Taray ka nga. Try one lang. Mataray? Let me try. Hindi kasi ako nakakilay eh. Mas mabuti nakakilay. Like karon. Hi, thank you. I'm gonna like, how can I be mataray? Like this? Be, wag kang tumawa, alam ko. Mabait kasi ako eh. That's why I'm vlogging right now because I'm lubat na pala. Hindi ko napansin. Ay! Wala kay bilatasan. Gatay, wala kay uting kabubuton, day. Charot. Wait lang ako. Cellphone ka sa rin doon. No, wait. Hindi ka bilatasan eh. Kay uting kabubuton. That's why I'm vlogging, bro. Hoy! Saba, wait. Wala, di man sila kasabot, day. Kita raman. They don't know what's that, man. Yeah, sa mukha. Sa mukha sa imo expression. Yeah, I know my expression is kinda giving. Giving. I'm gonna try it. The last one. When someone asks, I'm like when someone, let me think. As my yeah, I know. My social media, like I'm gonna do like this. Who you to ask my number, bro? I didn't even know who you are. Oh, eh. Ano daw? KLG, thank you. Nagkaon na di ikaw. Oh, I'm done eating. KLG, thank you. Muna resulta sa nikaw na guys. This is what it's giving. Smile, are you eating? Yup. Paliba na. Sa daw. Sa daw. Balo ko doon ko kasabot sa mga story na doon. Ovaltine. Oh, we should buy Ovaltine because of because it is very good for the health, for the air. You're coming with me. Daddy Dave alone. Kasi maldita naman ako, B. Kapag pag inuunahan talaga ako sa mga klase ko, like, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do your thing. Di man good. We should help Ovaltine not to be bankrupt. Charot. Kuha lang ang Oval. Charis. Kay, kuan ba ya? Gihatag na ba ya nila, nila kay nanay ang katong Ovaltine kay laki mabankrupt na gitang Ovaltine. I'm gonna buy later sa 7-Eleven. Do you have any recommendation that you want me to buy? Cause like I wanna try something else. Yeah, like chocolate, jam chocolate. It's not like jam. Taga san ka do? Taga Cebu. I'm from Cebu. Yeah. You come with me. Kana, grabe ni mo sweet. Doy, who you asking? Everyone. I'm asking everyone that if like oh, that's the new thing. Paano ba yun? Wait. Oh my goodness. I'm asking everyone that maybe they have a recommendation, like something to eat, something to buy in the 7-Eleven store. Oh my goodness. I've stayed with you, Mom. Hope you can accept while working now. I thought you, yeah. I thought that I already, yeah. Sorry. Bebek, ano ba yan? Michael. Huh? You did. If you don't understand, then yeah. My queen, hello. That's okay. Mike, hi Mike. There's a store here, like 7-Eleven. It's called 7-Eleven because it's open 24/7. And then, it's open 24/7. So I'm asking everyone that maybe they have a recommendation what to buy in the 7-Eleven. You're welcome, Mike. Are you from Cebu City? Yes. Explain really carefully, Ki. I'm careful explaining it, bro. Like, I'm so careful. What I like damn English, bro. Action. Miles. Yeah. I'm asking everyone that maybe they have a kind of recommendation to what to buy in the 7-Eleven. Like, that is very delicious. Yeah, delicious, I mean. Okay. Yeah, now you got it, bro. Like, damn. Kane, hello. Dean. You know how good I am when I explain it. Damn crazy, babe. Grabe. I'm so crazy talaga. Hi, King! Wow, so nice. Alam ko, nice talaga ang mundo, babe. I hear it's beautiful there. So you represent your original. Yeah. Cause, I mean, where are you from? You should, guys, try to come here in the Philippines because we have a lot of kinda. Oh my gosh. I mean, bae. Daghan na lagi badlungon sa live ni mo now. Kana pa, daghan kang makik, di ka maburingan. Hindi pa. Yeah. High five. You will enjoy kicking them. Charat. Mute lang. Oy, yatay viewers na to na day. Mapatay yung tikaday. I forgot that it's already... Hi, Ray. Ray. Yeah, that's it. Dili boring ka, puy lang. Kung di ka ganahan mag-kick day, ayaw na lang pala di ka kapuyin. Okay naman na. Waman sad ko ni Kuani. I don't mind them, yeah. I don't mind them, bro. Like, girl. Charis. Hi, Nabi. You got Instagram? Yeah. I have Instagram, but it's not available. It's not. Ang lakas ng tama mo, babe. Ah. Wait lang, wait. I'm gonna, like, wait. Something. Oh, Balot. I miss Balot in Mindanao, bro. I tried my first time Balot in Mindanao, and that's really good. And it's very giving. Imported na yun. Before Tagalog, we still cute you. What? Yeah, mag-Tagalog us, but we have to speak in English. Oh, yeah. I'm coming with me. Hi, Riley. Kahit ganito yung ano natin, guys, yung English, we still very talkative. Dudugo sa ilong mo dyan sa kanila dyan. Yeah, it's okay to be, it's okay to be, it's okay to be, yeah, to be lang. Guys, kapoy na. Suplado, hello. Ako din, suplado ako paminsan. Depende sa mood. Moody kasi ako, B. Sorry, nag-spam ko. Lag wifi silingon. Bakit? Why are you using others' wifi, bro? It's not good. Charis. You should, yeah. You should. Oh my god. Even though we're, like, speaking English so damn words, bro. But still, we're talkative. Yeah, I know that. We all know. Kasi VIP tayo, mag-isa ka nga, tang-iyit mo, VIP mo yung chares. Eli, meron na pinalipad si boss. Who's boss? Who? What do you mean, bro? Iced coffee. Johnny Baby, hello. Deadpool. Yeah, why? What do you mean challenge? Why do you want me to, like, what kind of challenge, bro? I mean si Deadpool. Why? What you mean? What do you want to him, bro? Nanipa na. Ay! Oh, babe. You're, like, kicking someone? Wolf told me that you're kicking someone. you're one of my viewers, like, you fly there. Yeah, that's good. That's good, bro. Tiny low. Okay lang naman yung kinikick niya, babe. Hindi. Yata. Thanks for help. Beautiful face. Hi, Rizali. Too many. My pleasure. Mommy, hello. Boy, you're so obsessed with me. Boy, you wanna know. Eloy. Ayan, mga sinisipan nyo talaga. You kick the charot. Cheesecake, shall we? Kissy face, kissy face. Let me, like, get something. Ano sabi sa akin? I want the Andrew Abraham. It's giving my vibes. That's why. Makakaharap din na much better kesa sa'yo. Wait, let me find something. Noah! Still here, your mom. Oh! You're, in your work now? Smile? You're working, right? It's like, this is the last song, and this is, after this song, I'm gonna end my life. Because, yeah, I have to go down, and I have to change. First.
How you doing, party people? Yeah. Well, this is Andrew E. once again.
Hi, Jay, because it's time, it's already 1:37.
That you've never heard before. Yeah. And you know what? I know you know this song, baby.
Hi, time. From way back. Shut up. Yes, I'm watching
You
it,
all
enjoying
know this
it.
song.
Thank you for staying, Smile.
You better sing along. Alright?
Ako'y nasa
Alas 7 ng gabi.
nakilala ko tuloy itong magandang babae na kaga.
Sa aking mga mata.
Hindi ko lang alam, may manluloko lang pala.